I don't understand why my teeth look so yellow in this camera. Look! It looks as though I don't brush at all. But it's not true, guys. I promise you. What's up, y'all? How are y'all doing? Today we're taking a teeny tiny little break from the FNAF games. I was browsing on GameJolt and I came across a game that visually looked so appealing that I just had to try it out. I have no idea what it is. I don't know if it's a long game, small game, medium game. All I know is the art style was so... It gripped me. It was like, boom, come here. You know what I mean? And so today we're playing My Friend is a Raven. I don't know anything about this. I'm guessing there's a raven somewhere in the game, so let's find out what this is all about, shall we? My Friend is a Raven. Choo Choo Charles? Wait, the guy who made this game made Choo Choo Charles? I've seen some clips of Choo Choo Charles on TikTok. It looks really funny. We should play it sometimes, I think. Play the game. From the ground of the earth, humanity was conceived, and into the soil, the ill spirit shall return. Okay. The volume is very low. Ludum, this is us? I lament, for I have cherished this home. One last time, I shall look upon these walls before I speak to the raven. I must find some food to coax with me. To coax him to me. Use A and D to move, and use the mouse to interact with or pick up items. Okay. Oh, wow. See, when I told you the art style was stunning? This is beautiful. How greatly I wish my family to visit me during this time. There's a pouch of seed added to the inventory. However, the corner of the screen, hover to the corner of the screen to view your... Oh, okay. Pouch of seed. Okay, we can hold up to 3 items. Clock, does it work? We can adjust the time. I recall many occasions where my friends and I would sit and visit. I would sit and visit all night long. Okay. What happy memories we made. So, this guy looks like he's having the plague mask in his face, and he said that he would like his family to visit him in these times. Are we in the middle of a pandemic? Oh my goodness. I just got PTSD from that word, pandemic. Oof. Any of you guys were in high school as well when it first hit? I was in secondary 4. I don't know for Americans what that means, but it's the year before the last year of high school. When it hit, and it was like, yo, 2 weeks of break. So we were like, cool, 2 weeks no school, and then it was a month. And then it was undetermined, and then school's over. What? Good times. Can't open this. We got a door here. W. Oh! A small vat of ink. Before the newspapers stopped printing those... Okay, I can't even speak properly. Before the newspapers stopped printing, some articles described people poisoning each other using this. You guys... you guys are poisoning yourselves with ink? Open up. Oh, all those flies. And mosquitoes. Heroin? Needle added to the inventory. Okay. Could be steroids as well. He might be a gym rat. I did not even read that. It's overflowed and so filthy. That I doubt anyone would use it. Isn't it your home? Unclog it. It's your job. Go right. Got the fridge. If there was anything left inside, it would be very unsafe to consume. I'm guessing that, you know, clearly the house is rotting. Everything in this kitchen spoiled instantly. So, clearly, the house has been abandoned. There's a knife, a large pile of feathers. I am quite unsure how the birds got inside to leave such a mess. Grab the knife. I thought this rat trap to be unusable, but I believe it may still function properly. Okay. There's a bunch of empty bottles. Are those pills? This is a drug house. Oh, light turned off. Paper. A small piece of paper that reads, "In the face of the noon shadows, you rejected my plea. How I do hope you haven't forgotten." Okay. The raven may come if I show myself atop the balcony. Is the raven some sort of judge or something? No nightmare could capture the calamity of these days. Clearly, this is a post-apocalyptic world. Yeah. Want some seed, brother? What up, Crow? G'day, dear Raven. Okay, what type of voice does he have?
Good day, sir.
Good day, sire. I could not help myself noticing a delicacy in your hand. May I ask you what a lone soul might be doing perched upon a building, holding a bag of seeds? These seeds belong to you. Now, good Raven, take them. And in return, I wish to speak to you of your destructive manner. I accept your offer with vigor, but I would hardly consider myself destructive. I do not view you with the authority to tell such lies. Your kind have descended upon the earth and spread a mortal plague among its people. Oh! Is this the Black Plague era or the Death Plague? Whatever the name was. And he's a perpetrator. You have left your homes barren and our city in ruins. Not a single person lives to share my grief. By the way, if I mess up lines, I apologize in advance, okay? Maybe I'm dyslexic or something. Sometimes I mess up. Poor little man. I could grieve with you. I could comfort you. I could be your friend and sit upon your shoulder when you become torn. But only if you have a gift to give a sympathetic raven. Yeah, you're not my friend. I have no gift other than your seeds. Pathetic! Even now you have no heart to help another being. Do you truly pity yourself as the last human alive? Or the last one? You should be happy you'll never encounter another man like yourself. I have no tolerance for your antagonism, Raven. Yo! He's using the dark side of the Force. Do you believe that you will give your dominance over me? I have power over you, human, in masses that you cannot fathom. Look at your city. I will do the same to you. Please, Raven. I must know why you have chosen such a path as this. He's slowly killing us, bro. If you do not know by now, your blindness shall serve you a deserving platter. And he leaves, leaving us with the voices. ASMR. You unlocked the bad ending? Extinction. Oh! This piano. What the world should come to an end. Okay, so we have 4 ending we could get. I'm really happy we're playing one of those games. I'm really happy. So we got the bad ending. I'm proposing that we go see the Raven without seeds. There is seeds, let's not take them. Let's just go straight for the Raven. Maybe we will have the worst ending, where he kills us because we have no seeds to offer him. Yo, Raven! There is not a single creature in sight, yet I must speak to the Raven. I must have something in my apartment that I could use to attract him. Yeah, you said that already. Wait. We could put something there, I think. I'm thinking we use the needle. It's shiny, so it's going to attract him. We put some ink into the seeds and we kill the Raven. I can't even click the needle. Oh my goodness, bro. So the mouse trap, we could put oh, the mouse! Dead rat added to the inventory? Maybe we give the dead rat to the crow instead. No, not the seeds. Alright. Good day, dear Raven. Good day, sir. Oh, I have something that might interest you. Dead rat. A dead rat. I'm surprised at your change in heart, but I shall gladly take your gift. We may discover some similarities between ourselves. I find it possible. You have even grown a sort of beak since I last saw you. You could be one of us, lad. Yeah, so he's British. I hope we might resolve that differences we have. I believe we shall, for I will be your friend and keep you from crumbling into the soil of the earth. I thank you. Then let us go. There is much to show you, my friend. Is that another ending? Yeah, we're big cousin. We get along together, right? Does the game continue outside? Or does it... That's another ending, I think. You've unlocked the good ending. Friends. Hey, in the apocalypse, we all fams. I really want to see what happens if we give him the needle. Okay, so we got the needle, and then we got the seeds. I want to needle him. Good day, sire. Good evening. I have no gifts. What? No, I have the needle. I'm thinking we have to do something before. Oh! Okay, I know exactly what to do. First, we take the rat, and then we put the ink inside the rat, and it's going to kill the Raven. Yo, that's a good plan. So it's functional, boom, and then a rat is going to come, grab it, get the needle to inject the rat with the ink. When I speak to the Raven, he may demand that I give him the rat. I could use the ink and needle to poison the rodent. Poison rat. Okay, so the... Nice. Very nice. Okay, let's go talk to the Raven and see what's up. I don't know if you guys knew, but Raven are actually the smartest bird on Earth. So the scientists believe. Good day, dear Raven. Not a single person lives to share my grief. Poor little man. I could share the grief with you. I need a gift, though. Indeed, dear Raven. I have something that might interest you. I am surprised at your change of heart. Eat it! But I gladly take your gift. Does it fit your exquisite taste? Quite closely, but I find it slightly bitter. Still, I thank you for the gift. You are very welcome, dear Raven. I believe we may find some common ground upon our past. I feel you truly have changed, friend. Whoa! Dear Raven, is something amiss? Human, what have you done? Why, Raven? I don't know what you speak of. I thought you have changed. You are nothing but an actor, just like the rest of your kind. I would think a plague like this would make a man more sympathetic. Yet still, you have no hesitancy to bring a creature down into the soil of the earth. The world will soon be yours, but I refuse to give you the pleasure of watching me perish. And he's going to fall. Mayday, mayday. Boom! You've unlocked the aggressive ending. But it's just one raven among a million, right? If I'm the only human, I just poison one. Is it the leader of all the ravens? And it's like a hive mind? And as soon as he dies, everybody dies? Questions, questions. There's one more ending. I don't know which one is it. I don't know what we have to do. I am guessing it has something to do with the clock. I don't know what time we need to put the clock to. What does the paper say? In the face of the noon shadows, you rejected my plea. How I hope you haven't forgotten. The noon shadows. Okay. So we put it at noon? Ah. Sire, I am sickened and in need of aid. Would you spare the time to help an ill soul? If you're sickened, be gone. I want nothing to do with your pathetic plea. Save yourself the effort of disrupting a human. Is that why they cursed us? 'Cause we rejected him? Let's go talk to the crow. I hope we did not need anything else. Good day, Raven. Good day, sire. I should speak to you of our past meeting. I accept your offer with vigor, but I would not consider there much to discuss. I asked you for aid, and you rejected me. Indeed, and I have no words to describe my regret. The only reason you regret anything is because of the punishment I have brought upon you. Truly, Raven, I have learned the error of my ways. I only wish to plead for your forgiveness. I'm just sorry, man. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Just forgive me, please. It'll help me sleep at night. Why should I grant you anything more than dirt? You left me ill, and in the same way, I shall leave you. An eye for an eye, but you don't have tooth, so it's only eye for an eye. No teeth for teeth. That's it. The friend zone ending. We can do something? Do I jump? Okay. I don't think there's anything we need to do but to get out. Oh, TV! We're going crazy. The voices! No, they're back! And we died. You've unlocked the passive ending. Wow. Is there a secret ending? Alright, well, I googled it, and nope. There's only 4 endings, we got them all. Alright guys, that was My Friend is a Raven. I mean, clearly the message is just be a good Samaritan if you don't want anything bad happening to you or karma or anything. Nice game, very fun game. I had no idea what type of game that was. I was fully engaged in going in and discovering the game for what it was. If it was a long game, a survival game, whatever type of game it was, I was down for anything. And I'm glad it's a figure out more than one ending type of game. I really like those. Well, that was a very short game. I hope you enjoyed your stay. I certainly did enjoy mine. This was My Friend is a Raven. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you all when I see you all. Bye bye.